Greetings and welcome to my school's librarianship portfolio. On this website you will find a collection of the work that I completed through McDaniel College. Each artifact demonstrates the 5 AASL standards for initial preparation of school librarians. You can navigate through each of these standards by clicking up here. Although I am proud of all the work that I completed at McDaniel College, there are 3 that I would like to highlight for you. The first artifact is my in-service presentation that you will find here in Standard 1 if you scroll down. I worked with 2 of my school librarianship classmates to put together an in-service that highlighted the importance of collaboration. This presentation introduces a new tool called TrueFlix and presents ways in which teachers can collaborate with the media specialists to use the tool with their students. I feel that this presentation shows my commitment to collaboration and contributing to my school community. The second artifact is my children's literature bibliography located in Standard 2. This bibliography has a collection of the best children's literature. I used several different review sources and awards to create this list and have ordered many of these books for my current school library. Creating this bibliography taught me the importance of choosing high-quality literature that will appeal to a wide range of student interests and curriculum content. The final artifact that I would like to highlight today is my reference website located in Standard 3. This website is chock full of links to websites, databases, and other miscellaneous resources and policies that are relevant to the patrons of my library. It provides flexible, open access to library services and helps to address equitable access to resources. Those are just some of the examples of the incredible education I received at McDaniel College. Please visit the About Me page where you will find a link to my website, as well as my Twitter page and my LinkedIn page. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me using this link here. Thanks for visiting my page.